Good morning. Getting straight into the morning analysis for Tuesday. Last night I got Tradecopia and a couple Tradeify accounts, so this was just a dummy trade. So we are on the daily time frame. Gonna mark out previous. Here I need to put my little magnet on, and I need to put crosshair. There we go. Previous day high, top right, bam, bam. We don't need previous day low because of how big this wick is. And then also previous day consequent encroachment. We have this little itty bitty volume imbalance right here that we can continue higher. We have daily buy side liquidity, which is going to be this high right here. So we'll also mark that out. Drop down into smaller time frame, which is going to be the 4-hour time frame. Then we can see that's high got taken out. Relative equal highs are here. This is going to be another draw on liquidity. And then we have this imbalance in here. So we'll mark out this imbalance. And this is not a new week opening gap. Thought it was a new week opening gap, but it's not. Okay. 1 hour gives us more of a little model that we could play off of just in case, but also depending on what we are. We have this sell side liquidity and this sell side liquidity, which is going to be the bottom of this 1 hour, or it was a 4-hour fair value gap. And then equilibrium of this range is all the way down here. Let's see what else we have. This high is higher than this high. Let's see. High 25,206.50, 25,208. Yeah, so this high took out that. So this is going to be our higher time frame buy side, 15 minutes. Let's put our trusty little ICT kill zone indicator. All right. As we can see up here, this is also London high. And bam, bam. Okay, so for daily bias, you really only need to go down to the 15-minute and mark out everything. So, what can we see? On the 15-minute, we have buy side liquidity as relative equal highs, low resistance liquidity as well, and it's London high after taking out London low already. So, a couple things can happen in the morning, right? So, higher time frame, what are we? Bullish, right? We just had this high, got broken by this 4-hour candle. Daily time frame, been chopping, took out all of this liquidity right here. So it could either be rebalancing just to take out this daily swing high and then coming down to take out all these lows. But we're looking at intraday swings. So 15-minute. And what we use for context is we know there's London high still needs to be hit, buy side liquidity, and daily time frame buy side liquidity. We already took out previous day high, so we know that previous day low is going to be out because of how far it is, right? What else do we see? We see that we have these relative equal lows at sell side liquidity, the other low being Asia low. This blue line is Asia low, which is also the top of a 4-hour BISI. So what this means for the morning, Well, a couple things. Price can either just completely, let's get a little drawing tool. There we go. So, a couple things. Price can just say, I just want to be completely bullish, run up, wait for a little retrace, and then go up and take the highs. Okay? That's one possibility. What I'm looking for is take out these lows, take out Southside liquidity, take out Asia low, and we already took out London low. We have London highs, relative equal highs, and low resistance liquidity, and a higher time frame buy side liquidity. And then a little entry model here inside macro time, and then come up. This is the most ideal setup. That's what I'm looking for. So, two possibilities right there. Obviously, don't be too stuck on your daily bias, but that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm marked out.